This little sleepyhead has just woken up at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So we're going to make some lunch. Late lunch. Ladies for lunch. Want to pour some pastry and stuff out? Can we make Mummy a coffee while we wait for Emmy's pasta? Which coffee am I going to have? That one? Yeah, good choice. Yeah. Put it down, put the machine down. Oh, watch your fingers! See, I got my chalky bickies and I feel, and I feel better. Because chocolate makes everything feel better, doesn't it? Cheers! Not very good at reading in Welsh. Try. And babi bach yn beicio yn y llawen. And babi bach yn... don't know. And babi bach yn chwifio hwyl fawr. Wave hwyl fawr.